Hi guys, today we're going to be working on this 05 Dodge 3500 taillight, and it's not working, so we're going to change the bulb in it. And first of all, you're going to have to let down the tailgate to get to the two bolts that hold the housing on, and these are star head bolts down here. So we'll go ahead and take those off and set you down over here where you can see it. And these bolts come out very easily. They're not that hard to take out. There you go. There you go. And then you just kind of pop this thing out here. And it's held on. All the lights are in this one column here. And then you got the harness right here. And you can unplug this if you want to. And then work on it outside of it. You know, lay it down somewhere. But just for time's sake, we're just going to go ahead and take this off right here. And it's held on by Phillips head bolts. And so we'll go ahead and take those off. So we're going to change out a bit. Oh. Sorry about that. My tablet fell over. Anyway, we're going to change out our bed to a Phillips head. And get started on this. And just like the bolts to get it off, these are pretty easy to get off. And this is why sometimes it's better to take it, unplug it, and then do it on like a workbench, just because this thing is floating around freely, and sometimes it could be hard to get all the bolts off with it floating around like this. But sometimes it's really hard to get unplug these things sometimes. So we're not going to do that just for time's sake. So here is the housing, and go ahead and put that over here. And here is the light bulbs. This one down here is the blinker, and when it comes off, it's just laying around there. The good way to tell if you can't remember which side is the blinker is you can put it in here and it fits in here. But if you turn it over the wrong way, it won't go in. So that's how you remember. So here's the bulb that we're taking out, and it just unplugs just like that. Then we can take our new bulb, stick it right back in. There we go. So we'll go ahead and put our thing back on, our housing back on. Goes back in just like that. And this process goes along with replacing any one of your lights, running lights or brake lights, because it's the same process for all of it. And it's also the same process for replacing the whole housing as well. And so it's basically the same process for everything you do with your taillight. And there we go. It's all put together again. You just put it back in place. And I don't know what that piece came off of, but I'll make sure it's in the right spot. And then just stick these screws back in the holes. And don't forget to put the new bit back in, the other bit. This one, yeah, this one. No, I don't think it's that one either. It'll work though. I'll find the right bit here. There's this one. Hey. I just gotta make sure you have the right bit. And there you go. You got your tail light put back in, and we'll go ahead and start this thing up. See if it's working or not. Doesn't look like it worked. The lamp out. Nah, it looks like it didn't work. Well, looks like there was something else wrong with it then. Well, that's how you replace a that's how you replace it. If it works for you or not, who knows? So at least now you know how to replace it, and we'll figure out what's wrong with it here on the next video probably. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, so I got it working. Quick explanation: I was got my bulbs mixed up. So just remember when you're doing it, it's this bulb right here, the top one, not this one down here. Because I was trying to replace this one, not this one. So just remember that it's the top one, not the bottom one. So remember all that stuff I said earlier. Like and subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. So I'll see you guys in the next video.